Hello, good evening everybody. Welcome to Digitron Solutions. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the working demo of the project, that is crystography, that is data hiding in image using steganography and cryptography. That is, I will be using LSP based steganography and AES encryption in cryptography section to hide an encrypted image inside encrypted data into an image. The project is implemented in Java. So let's see the working of the project. So I'll go to the project. I am using JCreator. You can use any ID to run the project. I am using JCreator because it is a very simple software of very low size as compared to your Eclipse and NetBeans. So I'll run the project. So this is the admin section. I log in as an admin password, and once I log in, you can see I have sections like encryption section, decryption section and logout. So the concept is like there will be two parties like sender and receiver. Sender will encrypt the data and send it to the receiver. Receiver will go in the decryption section and decrypt the data. So I'll go as a sender, I'll go in the encryption section, and you can see I have an option to enter the plain text which I want to hide in the image, or I can browse a text file and that data will be displayed here. So either you can browse a file or you can type a text. I'll say hello user, I'll type the text, hello user, welcome to Digitron Solutions. Okay, I have typed this plain text and this is the text I want to hide. So this text will be first given to cryptography section, that is AES algorithm, that is advanced encryption standard algorithm, and it will be encrypted. So it is asking the key for encryption. So since I am going to use AES encryption, the key size should be at least 16 characters. So I'll put up some 16 characters for 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 characters, and I'll say encrypt, and you can see I have the encrypted data which is known as ciphertext. So cryptography is being applied and I have got the encrypted data. Now I want to hide this encrypted data within an image. So I'll browse an image. So I'll say browse, I'll select one of the image and I'll say perform steganography, that is LSP based steganography. I'll click on this. For steganography is also there is an signatures key and whose size is fixed to 5. So I'll put some signature key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll say OK. Enter the new image name. I'll name it as Digitron image. Okay, I'll say OK, and the image has been created successfully. Now once I'm done, we can see the encoded image. So this is the image which has an encrypted data hidden within it. You can see this. So you can see like this we have performed two level of security. Initially we apply cryptography and encrypt the data and then hide the encrypted data within an image. So you are sending the data to the receiver in such a way that no any intruder or a hacker will come to know there is flow of some confidential data. So this is the encryption section. Now let's see the decryption section. I'll go back. Now the sender has encrypted. We will send that encrypted image, that the image whatever image is created. This is the image, the Digitron image, whatever name I had given. So this image should be sent to the receiver through email or any other medium, and then the receiver should also have this same software what we are using or what we have developed, and he will go in the decryption section and he will browse that image whatever he has received. So I'll go to the folder location where the image is. I have saved it at a very long location. Cryptography, output image, that is Digitron image. So I selected the image. Now this button is enabled. I'll say get hidden data. It is asking the signature key which I had used for steganography. So at the receiver sender side I had used it as 1 2 3 4 5, and I say OK. I get the encrypted data which was been hidden in that image. I got the data. Now I should apply the AES key. The AES key what I had given was 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 13 14 15 16 characters, and I'll say decrypt, and you can say I got a message saying decryption successful, and this is the message which is present in that image. Hello user, welcome to Digitron solution. So this is how encryption and decryption is done to the data, and the data has been hidden inside an image. This is how the project works. Even we can save this received data. If I say save, the file has been saved with the name output.txt. So this data has been saved successfully. So this is how the project work. I hope you understood the working of the project. If you are interested in this project, you can go in the description section of this video. There is a link where you can click and come to a website and you can purchase the project. If you are interested in some other multi-domain projects, you can visit our website and check out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.